Hey second graders, today we're going to do a fun project. We are going to make a place value holiday tree. For this activity, you will need the following pages from your green folder. You will need the tree that is labeled 463 on the stump. You will need the sheet with ornaments labeled with the number 1. You will need the sheet with ornaments labeled the number 10 and ornaments labeled with the value 100. You will also need scissors, crayons or colored pencils, glue stick, and the black construction paper that also came in your folder. Once you have collected all of these materials in front of you, then you may begin. First, you are going to color your tree. A little tip, second graders, that I've noticed over the years is that it looks kind of fun when students alternate using dark green and light green to make a pattern on their tree. You also might want to color the trunk brown, but it is up to you. You can be as creative as you would like. Once you finish coloring your tree, move on to the next step. Step 2. Look at the number on the trunk of the tree. I see the number 463. How many hundreds are there in the number 463? What do you think, second graders? That's right, there's 4 hundreds. So you're going to look at the sheet of paper with the ornaments labeled 100, and you are going to color in 4 of the ornaments labeled 100. Now on this slide, you can see I circled the top 4 ornaments. Those are all polka dot. If you would like to have a variety of ornaments, you can choose a different combination, but you must have 4 ornaments. After you have colored in your 4 ornaments labeled 100, then you can move on. Step 3. Look at the number on the trunk of the tree. How many 10s are there? Well, I can see my number is 463. The digit in the tens place is a 6. So in the number 463, there are 6 tens. You are going to look at the sheet with ornaments labeled 10, and you are going to choose 6 ornaments to color in. Color in 6 ornaments labeled with the number 10. You can see the 6 that I have chosen to color in, but again, you can choose any combination of 10s that you would like as long as you have 6 of them. Color them in neatly and then move on to number 4 when you're ready. Step 4. Look at the number on the trunk of the tree. How many 1s are there in the number 463? Well, I see the digit in the 1s place is a 3. There are 3 ornaments that we need to color with the label 1. So again, I have chosen those top 3. You can choose any combination or pattern ornaments that you would like as long as they have been labeled the number 1. You will need 3 of them. Color them in neatly and then continue on to number 5. Before we get to number 5, this is just a reminder of the number we are using. We have found that our number 463 has 4 hundreds, 6 tens, and 3 1s. So double check that you have the correct amount of each ornament. You should have 4 ornaments labeled 100, 6 ornaments labeled 10 and 3 ornaments labeled 1 to build our number 463. Now you are ready to complete step 5. Cut out the tree and the ornaments you colored. It's important that we cut them out after we've colored them because I found it's harder to color in the ornaments after they've been cut out of the paper. Glue the ornaments onto the tree. Now, you can choose to do this in any order you would like. You might try to put the 100s at the top and then the 10s and the 1s at the bottom, but it is really up to you how you want to organize your ornaments on the tree. Our last step is to glue your tree onto the black construction paper. There was black construction paper in your folder that was sent home, so go ahead and glue your tree onto the black construction paper. And finally, on the last slide of this assignment, you can take a picture of your tree and insert the photo to share with your teacher. I hope you enjoyed doing this fun craft activity, second graders.